Welcome to the virtual tour of 10 FLORA Street in Keilor. The property is located directly in front of the park in Keilor. As we walk in, we are greeted by the living room and dining room. And kitchen. Just off the kitchen, there is a main bathroom. And next to the bathroom is the laundry, a large space for the laundry, plenty of room for washing machine and dryer, and through the laundry is an additional powder room. The downstairs contains an entertainment area with a bar, and there is a corridor that takes you out into a large double garage. As we head upstairs from the living area, we have an upstairs space, extra living zone that brings us into another bathroom. Western style sliding doors. And a wardrobe or storage area. This space could potentially be another bedroom. As we make our way down the corridor off the front door, we have our first bedroom, no robes in that room. Our second bedroom, again, no storage in that room either. And our third. All bedrooms downstairs don't have any wardrobes. There is a split system in this room, but the rooms are very large. the rear yard. Very low maintenance.